Okay guys, Yang Rehidor here, back for another unboxing video. This time, replacement keyboard for my Logitech G915 wireless mouse combo. Para ma-pair ko sa aking wireless mouse G602 gaming mouse. This G915 Tkl keyboard. So let's see how it goes. Quick unboxing lang para may magamit ako kagad dahil I have a meeting for the next 30 minutes. So, first impression, box pa lang mabigat na, but sturdy yung box. As you can see, bigat siya. Hirap siyang buksan like other boxes. So, yung box pwede natin recycle for something else. Pwede nalagyan ng pinahawan. Pwede siguro nalagyan ng aquarium. Keyboard itself looks good. Mabigat. Oh, galing. Keycaps. Wala siyang plastic eh. Supposedly meron siyang plastic after the box, pero parang buksan niya ata ito. Anyway, so it comes together with the keyboard itself. Okay, inside the box there is a USB micro USB cable with all the plastic. Ako ano pa naman itong plastic na ito. Nauusi ako pag nakita ng ganyan. And then the extender. The LIGHTSPEED receiver. LIGHTSPEED receiver and extender. So I think kasi minsan yung mga desktops natin, we put it somewhere else na malayo sa desktop itself. So para mas mabilis yung transmittal ng signal going to the receiver, nilalapit nila. Meron siyang extender. Yung extender niya may micro USB. I think ano lang ito, parang adapter. Para yung micro USB, you can use the micro USB itself as yung cable. But you can use this one for charging. Okay. Side. Logitech. Ano to? Keep on playing. That is more fun when you play. And then Logitech guide. It comes in different languages. And so yung keyboard itself quite heavy, pero you can remove the keycaps if you like to. Pwede mo siguro i-customize to. Like other mechanical keyboards, you can actually buy the button itself para pwede mo i-change. Hindi ko lang alam sa Logitech kung meron silang ganun. So like other keyboards, wala siyang for battery, so rechargeable keyboard siya. You can use micro USB. Yun nga lang medyo let down kasi instead of using na yung newer keyboard like yung Thunderbolt or USB-C, so using micro USB. And then yung stand niya, so yung stand niya, it comes with two sizes. So pwede 4 degrees, 3 degrees. So 4 degrees, medyo flat. One is flat, and then next is 4 degrees. Next is 8 degrees. Susukat ang medyo mas mataas. pangit lang, wala siyang palm rest. So yung palm rest mo, yung palm mo mismo dun sa mesa mo siya i-relate. I can buy something na yung palm rest. Gusto na sana kung mas mataas pa siya. Turn it on. Tingnan natin kung may battery. Ayan, may battery siya. So yun, yung RGB. I guess you can use the Logitech application to customize yung mga available na RGB lighting. And like yung mouse, I think pwede rin siyang i-pair. I don't know, isa pang problema dito, unlike yung other combos, they use one single receiver na, like the Logitech unifying receiver. But this one, especially yung mouse ko, hindi rin siya ganon. Let's put in the receiver. So switch forward, and agad siya. Ganda. And see yung look and feel niya, and the mechanic tackless keys, so different from yung dati kong ginamit na Razor that other brand na keyboard. Pero at least hindi siya ganun kaingay, but yung look and feel niya is almost the same. Price niya is around 269 Singapore dollars, so that's roughly around 10,000 pesos just for the keyboard. Hindi tayo sa mga cheap na wireless keyboard. Ganito lang naman. Pero this one's free. It was given by one of our vendors as as a gift for meron kasi kaming na-refer sa kanyang client na they purchase like 40 desktops, keyboard combos, and monitors. So parang reward sa amin, binigyan kami ng keyboard. It comes also together with a roller for the volume. Yeah, just a volume. Sana pwede mo siyang i-incorporate for other applications, like for example, pang DJ mixing or something. Diba? Pero yun lang. So ito siya. Mas compact din sa previously used na keyboard ko. So which doesn't have the numlock key. Medyo konting adjustment, but yeah, I have all the numbers naman here. And I guess you can use it for may mga macros that you can set as well. Kung gusto mong mga combinations na commands like control, copy and paste commands, instead of typing or pushing control C or control V, you can put it in a macro, so mas mabilis na. Or yung mga longer pa na commands. Aside from the light speed, it also accommodates Bluetooth, so you can pair multiple devices using Bluetooth. Then another button here to change siguro yung brightness. And yeah, that's it for now. Tingnan ko kung gaano katagal ko ito magagamit yan, and see if I can create another video to yung review for this keyboard. So right now ang combo ko is yung G915 plus itong G602 na gaming keyboard. So let's see. And that's it for now. And Yang Reader signing out, mga pare ko ay keep safe. Boom.